Hello, I'm Chini from MSK MRI.
Let's start with MRI. This is a case of a patient with a PCL tear. Apart from the PCL, what else seems abnormal? This is a case of a complete tear of the distal LCL. We can see that there is a complete tear of the distal LCL. For accurately diagnosing LCL injuries, axial images are more reliable than coronal or sagittal images. In this case, just before the tear, there is a slight increase in signal intensity within the LCL, and at the tear site, the LCL is no longer visible. I want to make two important points regarding LCL injuries. First, the most common injury patterns of the LCL include either a soft tissue avulsion from the attachment on the femur or an osseous avulsion from the fibular head. In this patient, it is a soft tissue avulsion, and you can see the wavy contour on the coronal image. Second, isolated injuries to the posterolateral corner of the knee are rare and usually occur in conjunction with injury to a cruciate ligament, either the ACL or PCL. So, if you identify an LCL tear, it is essential to check the ACL and PCL as well. In this patient, there is an associated PCL tear, and the area highlighted in orange is the torn PCL. Normally, the proximal PCL appears with low signal intensity, but in this patient, due to the tear, there is thickening and increased signal intensity. To summarize, we have a case of a complete distal LCL tear with a soft tissue avulsion pattern, along with a PCL tear, which is a common combination of injuries in the posterolateral corner of the knee. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it.